Hello everyone, welcome to Banu Homemade Ideas. In this video, let us see how to prepare immunity boosting powder at home. Actually, this is a mix of 8 healthy spices that are already present in our kitchen cabinets. And here they are: cinnamon sticks, black pepper, cumin seeds, cardamom, turmeric, dry ginger, fennel seeds, and coriander seeds. Now let us see how to prepare this mix. Make fine powder of turmeric and dry ginger and keep it aside. Do not roast these two spices. Now place a pan on the stove. Keep it on a low flame. Add the remaining spices and dry roast them on a low flame. Here are the measures of the remaining spices: 2 inches of cinnamon sticks, 5 spoons of cumin seeds, 1 spoon of pepper, 5 spoons of coriander seeds, 10 spoons of fennel seeds, and 10 cardamom or Elaichi. Slightly roast all these ingredients for about 2 minutes or until you get a nice aroma. Once this is done, let it cool for some time and then add to a blender. Make this into a fine, smooth powder. Now add 1 spoon of dry ginger powder and 10 spoons of turmeric powder to this and mix it well. The mix is ready, and now let us see how to use this powder and boost our immunity levels. This is really important to consume, especially during the cold and flu season. Now let us see the different ways to consume this. You can have this with the warm water early in the morning, or even with the ghee that is prepared at home. You can have 1/4 of this mixed with 1 spoon of ghee and have this directly. In case if you're not able to consume directly like this, you can also include them while cooking rasam, in the soups, omelets, paneer fries, veg curries and non-veg curries. So try this now and try to improve your immunity levels. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Please like and share this video with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.